Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 20th January current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one. First National Conference of States on Logistics. Here our Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal addressed the first National Conference of States on Logistics. First of all, we have to know India has a $200 billion logistics ecosystem. It is a good part of it. It is supported by the Indian Railways. Here, India has a big logistics system that is almost $200 billion. That's why it is the first national conference of states on logistics. Here, the minister said that that logistics is all about 5 R's: getting the right product, the most important one, in the right condition, at the right place, at the right time, to the right customer. Very interesting and very important. Here, it is all about 5 R's: getting the right product, right condition, at the right place, at the right time, to the right customer. Next one, exercise Desert Night 21. Here it is a exercise between Indian Air Force and French and Space Force. It will conduct a bilateral air exercise, that is exercise Desert Night 21 at Air Force Station Jodhpur from 20th to 24th January this year. Here, the significance of this exercise is the exercise is unique as it includes fielding of Rafale aircraft by both sides. That's why this exercise has the significance. As measures to further the existing cooperation, the two forces have been gainfully utilizing available opportunities to conduct HOP exercise. This is about exercise Desert Night 21. Next one, Mount Semeru. Why it is in use? Why? Because Indonesia's Mount Semeru has erupted, pouring ash an estimated 5.6 kilometer, that is 3.4 miles, into the sky above Java, the country's most densely populated island. Java is the country's Indonesia's most densely populated island. Here, this Semeru is also known as the Great Mountain. It is the highest volcano in Java and one of the most active. It is we know that there are three types of volcanoes are there. The first one active, next one passive, after that dormant. These are the three types of volcanoes. This is Mount Semeru is a most active one in the Java island. It is also one of Indonesia's most popular tourist hiking destination. It is also Indonesia's most popular tourist hiking destinations. That is Mount Semeru. Why like this type of volcano eruptions are last week we have seen that there is earthquakes also. Why? Because this Indonesia is situated or it sits at the Pacific Ring of Fire. That's why there is a collision or collide of this tectonic plates. That's why tectonic plates. That's why this type of volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, and earthquakes are happened in particularly in this area, that is Indonesia. Next one, regulation S bonds or REDS S bonds are offshore offering. Here, the State Bank of India recently raised $600 million of regulation S bonds via its London branch at a coupon rate of 1.8%. At a coupon rate of 1.8%. What is the significance of this regulation S bonds? Why? Because the bond is priced at a spread of 140 basis points over the 5-year US Treasury rate and will be listed SGX-ST and India's exchange. The issuance represented SBI is returned to the international public bond markets after a gap of close to 2 years. That's why this again SBI has raised $600 million regulation S bonds. Next one, as a part of UPSC prelims, today we will discuss 82nd question with reference to the international trade of India at present. Which of the following statements is are correct? That means this question is asking for correct statements. Let us see the statements. Given 4 statements. The first one, India's merchandise exports are less than its merchandise imports. India's imports of iron, steel, chemicals, fertilizers, machinery have decreased in recent years. India's exports of services are more than its imports of services. India suffers from an overall trade current account deficit. If you have carefully observe, 3 and 4 options are clearly follows. Why? Because we know that India is one of the most service sector country. Why? Because our demographic dividend are like service sector people are more in India. That's why India's exports of services are more than its imports of services. India suffers from an overall trade or current account deficit. We know that there is a CAD, that is current account deficit. Here there is a slight confusion between these two statements, first and second statements. India's merchandise exports are less than its merchandise imports. The first one is also correct one, but whereas if you see that with the logistics are numbers, then second statement is wrong. That's why we will put as 1, 3 and 4 as the correct option. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.